Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Eternal Love Bobber skin in Fish Eat Roblox. So if you're ready to show the ocean of your love is forever, the Eternal Love Bobber skin is one of the most aesthetic and also rare items in the Fish Eat Valentines update. And here I'm going to show you how you can unlock it. So first, what you need to do is just fish inside the Heartfelt Islands to get Valentine's coins because you need those to claim the bobber skin. And after that, you can just show your quest list in here and click on the Valentine's event button. And in here, the Valentine's event, you just need to collect coins from fishing to claim the free rewards, which includes the Eternal Love Bobber skin. And if you surpass 15,000 Valentine's coin, you can get the Eternal Love Bobber skin for free. So just click on this button, and just like that, you'll get it easily. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you on the next tutorial.